Welcome to Guide Glimpse channel. Is your account disabled? Just start by going to facebook.com and try to log into your account. I'm using this web browser right here. So if your account has been disabled, you will see a clear message saying so. Just don't panic. This usually happens when Facebook detects unusual activity or a potential violation of its policies. Before doing anything, check your email inbox and your Facebook support inbox for any messages from Meta explaining the reason your account was disabled. Next, open a new tab and go to the Facebook Disabled Account Appeal page. You can search Facebook Disabled Account Appeal form on Google right here and go ahead and click the official Meta link. On this page, fill in your full name exactly as it appears on your Facebook account, then enter the email or phone number linked to it. In the explanation box, briefly describe that your account was mistakenly disabled and that you like it reviewed. Keep your message polite, short, and clear. Facebook may ask you to upload an ID for verification. If that happens, just take a clear photo of your government-issued ID. Make sure your name and photo are fully visible, but you can cover personal numbers if the form allows. Upload it and submit your appeal. After this, wait for Facebook's team to review your case. This can take a few days, so keep checking your email for any updates from Meta. If your Facebook account is connected to a business page or you run ads, you can also reach out through Meta Business Help. Log in using the account that manages your business or ads and submit a business support request. This often speeds up the process because Meta gives priority to business-related cases. While waiting for Facebook to respond, avoid sending multiple appeals or creating a new account that can slow down the process. Instead, secure the email address connected to your account and turn on two-factor authentication where possible to protect your other platforms. If your appeal gets denied, don't lose hope. You can try reappealing with a stronger explanation or more clear identification. Just be sure to stay patient and professional in all your communication. That's the best way to get your account reactivated and back online. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.